Hello and happy Monday. Welcome back to Midlife Dividend channel. We are on episode number 2, where we'll be discussing dividends, some ETFs, and anything that might associate with investing. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a certified financial advisor, so everything on this channel is for entertainment purposes only. My intent is for inspiration for new investors to get into the investing world and dip them into the world of dividends and stocks and see how easy it is to get growth out of just with a little bit invested over time. So on Friday, we'll dip into what the balance was on Friday's balance was. I have it written down here. It was $2,354. Spots highest close to end of the day. So for today, we're going to close at business around, I think it was, around 23.67. I think it shows us around just over 2% growth for today. We do have some new dividend purchase with the dividend drip, so the dividends are going to reinvest. MSTY. And that was $67, so it gave us 2.12 shares. They're around $31.57 average cost, and then NVDY was $65.52. That got us 2.27 shares at an average cost of $28.86. And then the last one was Coney, $56.03. Got us 2.56 shares and average cost of $20.88. So let's go to, on this page right here shows we have our capital gains, total profit, and daily change. So the only one we're down on slightly is MSTY. So if we look at our dividend page, so we got our new next payments coming up. So looking to forecast $73.60 on Misty, NVDY $71.33, and Coney at $60.38. So if we look at our analytics page, so we have our breakdown of what our yearly estimated income will be. So we have a very high yield here, 103%. Yield on costs is 105.9. So our new annual went to $2,463.84 new annual income, and then for monthly was bumped up to $205.32. So what does that differentiate from? So we went from annual income of $2,264 with a pay increase of $199, and then our monthly income went from $188 to $205, and is just a touch over $16 a month pay increase. Here's our yield on cost for Misty, and then NVDY, and then lastly Coney. Alright, so let's dive into another page I like to mess around with and look at possibilities of if we stay at this trajectory of what we could possibly grow our money into with what we're investing. So on this page you have two options. You can manually put in your numbers of your starting principal, your dividend yield. I'm manually putting it in right now. It's currently 103%. I'm contributing $1,300 a year, $25 a week. I don't expect a dividend. I'm going to leave that 0 for annual growth. And then a low appreciation of the stock to go up 3%, which is very conservative. And then our tax rate. If you like this to do this under a single stock, this is where you type in the ticker, and then it'll pull up all its percentages. The only thing you would have to plug in was your starting principal and your how much you contribute. All right, so after it calculates all that, so it's amazing how much your money accelerates after a few years of consistent investing if you can keep these yields at this cost and this percentage. So estimated just doing $1,300 a year, you could be possibly up to $10 million a year in dividends after 16 years. So that is the goal and the gamble I'm willing to take right now to see if I can get to that. As for the next video, probably won't be till Friday. Busy work schedule this week, so I'll be updating Friday on the next purchase. I'll be making a contribution to the account no later than Friday. If the market dips, I'll buy it while the stocks are down and get the best cost per share then. That's about it for this episode. Please like and subscribe and follow, and see you on the next episode.